When it comes to data intelligence, Databricks is fast becoming one of the market leaders. They have also been hard at work in embedding generative AI in their products. Just recently, they have announced a new feature which depicts their commitment to this generative AI. Databricks recently unveiled new retrieval augmented generation or RAG tooling to help build high quality LLM applications. The key features of this new RAG tooling include a vector search to integrate unstructured data, low latency feature serving for structured data, and monitoring systems to scan model responses. By combining relevant contextual data sources, these capabilities aim to simplify productionizing accurate and reliable RAG apps across various business use cases. And I'll drop the link to this blog post which you can read at your leisure. If you want to see the whole architecture around it, then let me show you. Let me quickly open that image. Okay, this is the image I wanted to show you. Now, what this image is doing, it is a sort of an example of a travel planning bot that accounts for user preference and budget. Now, in this public preview of new feature which is called as Databricks Feature and Function Serving, that is a low latency real-time service. And if you look at this diagram, what is happening is that uh, the example shows how user preferences, for example, ocean view or family friend, can be paired with unstructured information sourced about hotels to search for hotel matches. Typically, hotel prices dynamically change based on demand and seasonality. A price calculator built into the Gen AI application ensures that the recommendations are within the user's budget. The Gen AI application that powers the bot uses Databricks vector search and Databricks feature and function serving as building blocks to serve the necessary personalized user preferences and budgeted hotel information using LangChain's agent APIs. Now, they have also provided a complete Google Colab notebook which you can readily use, and the link is already in that blog post which I showed you earlier, and I'll drop the link in video's description. It takes you through step-by-step process to install and see this in action, and you can customize it for your own application. So I'm not going to run it because it's already there, and you can run it and then start using it. The good thing about this is that not only you can use it within this Google Colab, but you can also deploy your own endpoints. So all in all, a really great step. And as I mentioned that this new feature is still in public preview, which is called as Databricks Feature and Function Serving. And it is a low latency real-time service designed to serve structured data from the Databricks Data Intelligence Platform. You can also instantly access pre-computed ML features as well as perform real-time data transformations by serving any Python function from Unity catalog. The retrieved data can then be used in real-time rule engines, classical ML, and also in the GenAI applications. You can use this in AWS, Azure, or wherever you want to, and you can even utilize the structured and unstructured data from these sources. And there is a lot of stuff you can do with it, but I won't go into this detail because this is just an introductory video. I will also be soon showing you how to actually use it within the Databricks platform. So this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this quick intro into this great feature and function serving. If you're already using it, please share your experience. And if you have any questions or thoughts, then also feel free to share. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.